So letter I is open before GH. Okay, letter I is open before GH. For example, this word before GH. Have you seen? So design one. Sigh, good. Sigh. That's sighing. Okay? Sigh. Okay? How about this one? I is open before GH. I is open before GH. Okay? So how do you read that one?
Light.
Light. Good. Light. How about this one? When is a letter I open? Right. Very good. Okay? Very good. Very good. Before GN, I is equally open before GN. I is open before GN. Okay? Before GN. For example, this. Okay? How do you read that one? Sign. I is open before GN. Okay? Sign. How about this one? I is open there before GN. Yes?
Align.
Yes, align. Okay, very good. You are doing fine, eh? Yes, you are doing very fine. Very good, keep it up. Okay. So we are remaining with the about 3 days for us to finish the course. Today marks day 5. Okay? Today marks day 5. And we can end here for today unless you have questions. Okay, so we go back to that word. How do we read it? Now, I is open. Pilato has been charged with? Very good. Libo. Excellent. Ha! You are great, anyway. You are serious. You really can. Yeah? You are tapping the anointing.